YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Sunday, guys. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome weekend. By the way, I'm going to unbox this. This is the TPU iPhone 7 cases. You could also use it with the iPhone 6 that I got this from eBay for only 99 cents each. I also got this from on eBay previously. As you can see, this is like a kind of a plastic, and after a while it tends to get cracked or something because due to the heat, or if you drop the cases and stuff like that. But I don't know, maybe this is like a cheap plastic case or something. And although it has a nice print on here, it was original white color, but somehow it's turned to this like a off-white beige color. So anyway, that's why I'm buying a new one. So this is the case. Let's go ahead and unbox. I bought the one with the chrome and the other one with the black, like a gunmetal on the side. Oh, wow, that's pretty good. They put in like a two different bag, which is avoid from, I don't know, scratching or whatever. So as you can see, this one is the like a chrome color on the edges, and this is for the iPhone 7. But last time I tried it on iPhone 6, it still fit. Although the box, oh no, this one does not fit. This one is only for iPhone 7 because there is no plug for the earphone jack. Okay. As you can see, they only have one microphone grill, one for the speaker grill. And then the volume rocker button is protected by those two chrome buttons. This is like a soft rubberized material. And I bought this for my wife and my other son last time. It works pretty good. It doesn't break or anything like that. This is like a plastic. I mean like a soft rubberized plastic material, which is good. And then on the back is clear. And this one is the one with the black edges, like a gunmetal. Let me take it out for you guys to check it out because there's a reflection. So I can't believe I found it again. 99 cents for each case, which is a pretty awesome deal. At first I bought one for $3.99, and lucky I searched around. If you have patience to look around again, and then there are some other cheaper sellers that's out there. Okay. Unfortunately, I cannot share the link with you guys. You just need to look for it because I'm not affiliated with those resellers, and I'm not gonna advertising for them. All right. So this is like a nice. Right here is kind of like a rough edges or like a texture, which is good. It's kind of grippy, but on the back it's very smooth. And this one holds up pretty good. And the other one is this. It's the chrome one. This is the chrome finish. It looks pretty nice. And then the chrome does not chip off, in case you guys are wondering, because my wife has this one. And my younger son had this one, and it holds up pretty nicely. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet, or if you guys are new, and then be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right. Share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, Peace.